Hola everyone, it's Nordano. Welcome to Vegan Life. I'm here to show you how to live a vegan life. Today we'll be making vegan nachos. You heard me right, vegan meatless nachos. We'll need some tortilla chips, black beans, jalapeños, cilantro, salsa, hot sauce, cayenne pepper, cumin, I love cumin, garlic powder, and some lime juice, of course, avocados, and warm vegan queso cheese. First thing, we will start by warming up the black beans in a saucepan. Add to it some cumin and cayenne pepper. I mean, you can put cayenne pepper as much as you want, depends if you like spicy food. Add in some garlic powder and warm it up for a little. Meanwhile, I'm gonna start preparing my dish. Add in the tortilla chips. And then add the queso on top of it. That's like a 1 cup of queso cheese, vegan cheese. Oh, it smells so good. And I'm gonna start preparing my guacamole. So add some lime juice. You can add some salt if you want to. And smash it. So my guacamole is almost ready. And my black beans as well. Add it on top of the cheese. And then the avocado. And if you're inviting people over for a little party, this is the great, easy to make dish. Now let's add the salsa on top of it. And the hot sauce. You can add more if you want to, as I mentioned earlier. Jalapeños. And finally, the cilantro. And it's ready. I hope you enjoy those vegan nachos. They're meat-free, dairy-free, easy to make, and you can even make your own tortilla chips at home. Stay tuned for the next video.